XRP, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. Okay, first of all, if we refer to our analysis, we mentioned we want to see whether we can get the reversal or the correction for one more drop. Okay, since we have this short move, still we can expect either the reversal or we get them any move similar to any of them. I mean the move similar to any of them. Okay, no one see how we can look for trade. Since we get this sharp move up, if the best things, if we get the correction flat here, if we check based on lower time frame, then we can look for trade, and we cannot look at this as a flat. All right, as long as the price haven't dropped and retest this low, we can wait and see get the correction or flat here. We can look for the trade, or if the price continue from here, we can have entry above this. But we should know having entry above the top is very risky. For the only traders, they know how to manage, because simply the price can tag and reverse. Okay, and if the price, what we're looking for, we're looking for the sharp move, not the corrective move. We want a price tag, break, and continue. If the price tag we see even within the first hour we're not moving, we take out the trade, because we can expect this one turn to similar to any of this for one more drop. Okay, and if we get them buy, either by getting the correction or having trade above this, as long as the price tag 1.245, this is where we start to manage. If there is a continuation, we look for the 1.336. Then we want to see, we need to see what type of the trade we get, how fast this can move. Okay. Anyway, this is where we can, if we get a trade, how we can look for the price. I mean, for it, we can manage the trade. The reason is still we can expect this one turn to any of this for one more drop. Okay, still there is a possibility the price can drop, and this one tend to be more complex. That's why if we get any trade, as long as the price will tag 1.245, this is where we have to start to manage. And if there is a continuation, then from there we can move our stop loss to 1.245 to book some profit. Okay, and in this case, we move to higher time frame. We want to see what we have based on daily chart. The only thing is that what we expect the price drop. Now we want to see whether we can get the reversal or not. Mostly we can expect to get the bigger consolidation, all right, before the price can reverse. And if we move to forward chart, similar to what I explained based on 1 hour chart, we're looking for the buy, but right now we consider buy as a short term, because it's still we can expect to get this flat. That means we look for buy if it's if like we get the trade as a sharp move, we can look for the continuation with the breakout of this top. But if it's turn to a corrective, we can expect this one turn to be a correction. All right. Anyway, we need to see if we get the buy how it move, and if we move to 1 hour chart, in case this one turn to a flat, sorry, turn to a move similar to any of this, if we want to look for sale, either from here, if the price drop from here, mostly we cannot get a really good trade setup, and having entry below this or here, I don't suggest it. Okay, but if the price tag was what we expected, we see, break this top, this is not moving, we take out the trade, then any sharp move with the flag we can look for sell. All right, similar to what we get here or any of this as example. All right, anyway, mostly we are more interested in look for buy, and now we want to see whether we can get any trade set up for buy here or not, but we consider as a short term buy. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.